Setting up Eufy Doorbell. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to set up Eufy Doorbell camera. So let's get started. First download the Eufy security application from the App Store or Google Play Store, then create an account or sign in. Now power on the doorbell. For battery model, charge it first, then hold the power button until it lights up. For wired model, connect it to your doorbell wires. Then add the device in the application. For this, open the application and tap the plus or add device button. Now choose video doorbell and follow the application instructions. Now connect the doorbell to Wi-Fi or your HomeBase if required. Stay near your router during setup for easier connection. Now use the mounting bracket included in the box, then mark where the screws go. Attach the bracket and lock the doorbell onto it. Test and adjust, press the doorbell to ensure it rings and send notification. Open live video and test the microphone and speaker. Adjust motion zones and sensitivity in the application for alerts. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set up your Eufy Doorbell camera.